Hey there folks, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of React Native for web, a technology that has been making the waves ever since Twitter introduced it to their app. But what's the deal with React Native for web? Why is it becoming more popular? Let's find out. The first thing, React Native for web is an exciting technology because it allows you to use the same code base for React Native for mobile apps while targeting web platforms as well. Isn't that fantastic? Well, there is a catch. The catch is that not all React Native libraries support React Native for web out of the box. This means that library authors need to put an extra effort to create versions compatible with both mobile and web. And let me tell you this, that can be quite a challenge. So, to get an idea of this, let's head over to the React Native directory website. When we filter for web, you'll notice that the number of packages pales in comparison to what is available for iOS and Android. However, there is a plot twist which comes in. Things are changing rapidly in ways we didn't expect. More and more companies are actually adopting React Native for web, but they're doing it differently than originally envisioned. Companies are embracing a more monorepo approach. They use React Native often with Expo for mobile development, but they also incorporate Next.js into the mix. Next.js in this context is a game changer for React Native for web. But why is this so? This is because it allows you to share navigation and app logic between your Expo based mobile apps and with your React Native for web project. In essence, you know how Nextjs uses routers for routing for your website. You can actually use routing for Expo now. With the Expo router, and you can actually use the same stack in the same monorepo. So that means you don't have to rewrite things 2 times. But then at the same time as well, we see that it streamlines the development process and paves the way for creating like next level apps because you're like using the stack. So there are a couple of other libraries or frameworks or UI frameworks which came up which allow you to do this. One of the notable ones are Solito. We also have Tamaguri, and then we recently got the glue stack from GigaAds. So all these systems, they allow you to have a unified way of creating apps for iOS, Android, and web using React Native. So we see that like many companies actually adopting this tech. What you see right now is an example of a website which I created using Tamaguri. So it uses React Native, Expo, and also it uses Next.js. But you'll see that there are common sections which are shared, which is the logic and the navigation, and also the UI as well is shared, so you can actually interchangingly use React Native, React, and also the Tamaguri UI framework as well, or specific syntax. So this is actually really cool, and I like how React Native is evolving to a platform whereby you're not really making you're not picking and choosing, so you can actually have the best of everything. So this is really great. So there you have it, guys. React Native for web is evolving traction in unexpected ways. It might not have started with a bang, but certainly it is picking up the speed. So stay tuned for more updates on this front. Also, I'm gonna try to create more tutorials for React Native for web. So if you are looking forward to it, give this video a like, subscribe, and just mention in the comments as well which areas should I focus on. Authentication, do you want to share the common logic, do you want me to talk more about navigation, or you want me to show you how to integrate the different platforms or different UI frameworks like Solito, Tamaguri, GlueStack? Just let me know in the comments as well. So until the next video, cheers y'all. Cheers.